In Weston, homeowners take pride in homes that balance timeless charm with modern comfort. From tree-lined streets to elegant suburban neighborhoods, every detail matters, especially when it comes to your home's entrance. That's why more and more Weston homeowners are upgrading to custom front door installations. A front door is more than just an entry point. It's a statement piece, a security feature, and an investment that enhances both appearance and performance. Whether you're renovating an older home or building new, a custom front door installation can transform how your home looks, feels, and functions. Here's why so many Weston homeowners are making the switch. Personalized designs to match Weston's architectural beauty. Weston's neighborhoods feature a mix of architectural styles, from classic colonials to contemporary designs, and a standard, one-size-fits-all door doesn't always do justice to a home's character. Custom front door installations allow homeowners to choose materials, finishes, colors, and designs that perfectly complement their home's architecture. Want the traditional charm of a mahogany door with decorative glass? Or the sleek minimalism of a solid fiberglass design? With a custom door, the possibilities are endless. Professional installers in Weston can help you design a door that aligns with your home's exterior details, ensuring balance and harmony. The result is an entryway that looks intentional, inviting, and one of a kind. Boosting curb appeal and property value, a front door sets the tone for the entire home. It's the first impression guests and potential buyers notice. A custom front door installation instantly elevates curb appeal, creating a focal point that stands out from the rest. Weston homeowners understand the value of craftsmanship and design. A well-made, customized door not only enhances the home's exterior but can also increase property value. According to home improvement studies, upgrading to a quality front door can offer one of the highest returns on investment of any remodeling project. Whether you plan to stay for years or eventually sell, a custom front door adds tangible beauty and financial benefit. Improved energy efficiency and comfort. Mass-produced doors often fall short when it comes to energy performance, a problem in Weston's varying seasonal climate. A poorly sealed or ill-fitting door can cause drafts, uneven temperatures, and higher energy bills. Custom front door installations, however, are designed for precision. Each door is measured and built to fit perfectly within your existing frame, creating an airtight seal that prevents air leaks and moisture intrusion. Homeowners who upgrade to energy-efficient materials, such as insulated fiberglass or steel, enjoy year-round comfort while reducing heating and cooling costs. That means your investment doesn't just look great, it works hard for your wallet too. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Your front door is your home's first line of defense, and custom installations provide superior security features that standard doors can't match. Many custom doors include reinforced cores, heavy-duty hinges, and multi-point locking systems, all designed to deter intruders and provide peace of mind. You can also customize glass inserts with impact-resistant or tempered safety glass, combining natural light with protection. In Weston, where homeowners prioritize safety as much as style, a secure and well-installed custom door is a smart upgrade that delivers lasting value. Durability. Built to last. Custom doors aren't just made to fit, they're made to endure. Using premium materials such as fiberglass, steel, or solid wood, these doors are designed to withstand Weston's seasonal humidity, temperature changes, and wear over time. Unlike standard doors that may warp or deteriorate, custom doors are crafted for long-term performance with finishes that resist fading, cracking, and peeling. With proper installation and minimal maintenance, your new entryway will stay beautiful and strong for decades. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the best custom door won't perform well without expert installation. Professional door installers in Weston ensure that every component, from frame alignment to insulation, is fitted with precision. Local experts understand the area's architectural trends and weather patterns, guaranteeing results that are both durable and visually appealing. With their craftsmanship, Your custom front door will not only look stunning but function flawlessly. Final thoughts for Weston homeowners. A custom front door installation is more than just a home improvement. It's an upgrade in style, security, and efficiency. From boosting curb appeal and comfort to increasing property value, a custom-designed door creates an entrance that reflects your personality and enhances your home's charm. When installed by trusted professionals, it's an investment that pays off every time you walk through it. Transform your home's first impression and make your entryway truly your own with a custom front door installation designed for Weston living.